In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to resize one by one picture in Microsoft Word. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how you can easily change the aspect ratio of a specific picture and crop it in a one-to-one format. When you load a picture into Microsoft Word, either if you are using it online, like I'm demonstrating in this video, or if you have the app downloaded on your PC, you will be able to click on the picture and a new tab will appear, where you can manage various different options about it. And if you look here, you will find the relevant options for this video. You will have the crop function and then the ability to change the height and the width. So you can lock the aspect ratio so it always stays perfect, synchronized between them. If you undo this option, you will be able to change it however you prefer. Now, in here, what you can do is type a specific aspect ratio. If it is locked, then it is going to react accordingly, so the height will be adjusted according to the width and vice versa. So make sure to untick this option. After it is unticked, you can input a one-to-one aspect ratio. You can do any other number as well, for example 5 by 5, 7 by 7, 6 by 6, and so on, and it will be adjusted accordingly. Make sure to change both the height and the width and untick the lock aspect ratio option. However, you will notice that now the image is clearly stretched. If you don't want this to happen, then you will have to use the crop function. So if I restore the image to its original size here, and I click on crop, I am now able to resize the picture to whatever I want. So you can drag these corners around and get the one by one finish that you want. If you click on this drop-down menu and you go to crop options, you can also change the size of the crop in pixels. So if you want to be incredibly specific about how many pixels will be cut off, then you just input the amount here. And as you can see, it is going to be updated right away. Now, once you are satisfied with the crop, just click anywhere on the image and now it has been resized. Now you can change the aspect ratio. You can make it bigger, you can make it smaller, make it one by one, and it is going to retain the crop that you've made. So this helps you if you don't want to stretch the image. I hope I was able to help you on how to resize one by one picture in Microsoft Word. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.